Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Afternoon, Sanbonani. Maybe we need to exercise a little bit. People are tired. Firstly, I would like to thank GBCHealth for pioneering such an important initiative that is crucial in improving health and lives of the people, especially in less advantaged countries like my own, South Africa, and Africa at large. By providing a platform for private, public, civil society organizations, and individuals to engage in a meaningful way, to share best practices, and strategize to efficiently combat diseases that face the world, and constantly reminding the member companies to be good corporate citizens wherever they operate. Now, the award category that I'm about to present is the GBC Business Action Health Award in the category of Technology for Health. I've looked around and I see many of you of my age, the BBTs, if you've heard about the BBTs, born before technology. So we've been very advantaged to experience the eras changing in life. I come from a time in the 60s where there was no television, where we only heard about America on radio and had our own picture of America, where I did not think there was grass, I did not think there were roads, I thought it was glass and lights. When I thought of New York, I had that picture. We came from the era where there were no cell phones. And if I think today, for half a day, that my phone is not working, I go crazy. I wonder, how did I make an appointment with someone in Johannesburg from Durban and still met that person on time? And even if they were late, we still met. I just cannot picture how it happened. Now, not so long ago, we started the campaign of HIV and AIDS screening, and you would go and do the test and wait for 6 weeks before you get results. Now, just last week, the MMC for Health and Social Development from the city of Johannesburg is here. We had a campaign launching healthy living lifestyle in Soweto, where we had more than 4,000 participants. Those who went for HCT would be counseled, screened, and then they go away for a little while. In 2 hours, they know the results. So I've learned to appreciate the power of technology, and I know the wonders it can do in helping, speeding up, bringing simple solutions for complex challenges that we face in health. So, I think the mic is not working anymore. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, please do join me in applauding and welcoming the kind of companies that have been commended by GBCHealth. This year's commended companies have radically improved healthcare delivery to rural and migrant populations by using telemedicines, cloud-based data storage, and advanced patient identification techniques. GBCHealth proudly commends Hewlett-Packard for its rapidly deployable cloud-enabled e-health center program, and Anglo-American for its health source program. So I would like to invite on stage the representatives of the commended companies. Danica Palazova of Hewlett-Packard. I think she's accompanied by Ritu Ghosh. And also Dr. Jan Pinar of Anglo-American. I know you're all waiting in anticipation to know who the winner is. But before we go there, I would like to invite all of you to our regional breakfast tomorrow. It's the Regional Breakfast Africa Part 2, where South Africa will be showcasing what we are known for. Now, Africa's truck drivers, particularly in Africa, are at a unique risk of contracting and spreading diseases and have difficulty accessing continuous and consistent health care. This endangers not only the health of the truck driver, but also that of communities that live along major transport routes. In Africa, they travel from like Cape to Cairo, that's why we call it. From the Cape in the South Africa, up to Ethiopia, up to wherever in the continent. And what worries me is that they drive long hours, they don't eat properly on the way, and I've just negotiated with the winner that now they will include diabetes screening on those on the way. The winning company teamed up with the non-profit organization NorthStar Alliance to establish a network of roadside wellness centers that provide to these populations preventive health care and treatment for sexually transmitted illnesses, TB, HIV and AIDS, and other diseases. In the future, I'll be mentioning diabetes proudly. One of the company's explicit aim was, I quote, to contribute to Africa's realization of the health-related Millennium Development Goals, close quote. The centers are, in fact, shipping containers repurposed into clinics. Crucially, they are connected via a secure computer network that exchanges, monitors, and tracks patients' data to ensure continuity of care along the corridor, even across national boundaries. This system also allows for real-time monitoring of disease trend at local, national, and regional levels. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to announce that the 2013 winner of GBCHealth Business Action Award in category of Technology for Health is 3, 2, 1, ORTEC for its NorthStar Alliance program. Accepting the award for ORTEC is ORTEC's CEO, Lambert Van der Bruggen, and Vice President of Global Business Consulting, Geerhard de Vries. Please join me on stage, ladies and gentlemen.
Madam Zuma, dankie. Gary, thanks. In 2003, the average working life of a truck driver in Africa was 5 years. AIDS was wiping out a whole generation of drivers. Transportation is not only a key driver of economy, but also key vector in the spread of communicable diseases. 6 years ago, when I told my wife our plans to support NorthStar, her first reaction was, do you really want to link the ORTEC brand to the world of prostitutes, sex, truck drivers? I'm glad we did. And today my wife and many others are proud of what we have accomplished. We can only tackle pressing challenges like HIV effectively if we are willing to look at the root causes, even though it may be tempting to look away when they lie at odds with our own ideals. The COMET system enables NorthStar to tackle the spread of diseases and provides cross-border counseling, testing, and treatment services to hard-to-reach populations like long-distance truck drivers and sex workers. This award is a great recognition for all people at ORTEC that put so much energy and dedication into making this work. And above all, an encouragement for the NorthStar people to continue their great work and make a difference. Thank you.